In this lecture, we're going to learn how to cancel the upload. We've accomplished the task of uploading a file to Firebase. There is an issue with the process that can be easily overlooked if you don't examine the developer tools. Let me show you the problem. I'm currently on the Manage page with the developer tools opened. In the Network panel, I've filtered the results to show XHR requests. I'm going to upload a large file. Immediately after initiating the upload, I'm going to navigate to another part of the application. It doesn't matter which page. After navigating to another page, you'll notice that the request is still ongoing. Even the request to the database is made. Navigating back to the Manage page will show that the component has been reset. This is important to understand. When you navigate to another page, the component from the previous page will get unmounted. This applies to its children components too. We can prove this further by switching to the View Developer Tools component tab. I'll search for the Upload component quickly. The Upload component will tell us that the Uploads array is empty. View will take care of cleaning up the data, methods, and computed properties after a component has been unmounted. The purpose of unmounting a component is to free memory on the user's machine. This will allow memory to be allocated elsewhere. View does its part with cleaning up the application. However, it doesn't clean everything for us. It won't take care of requests made by us. Simple requests won't tax the application, but a file upload can. Transferring large amounts of data can eat bandwidth and storage. If the user navigates away from the page, we'll want to stop the request. I'll be showing you two approaches to stopping the request. I'll go over their benefits after I've shown you both methods of handling this. The first approach is by using a lifecycle function. Two lifecycle functions are called when a component is unmounted. It's the perfect time to cancel the request if the user navigates away from the page. Open the Upload component in your editor. Define the BeforeUnmount lifecycle function. This function will run before the component is unmounted. We'll have access to the data, method, and computed properties stored in the component. We'll want to cancel the upload before the component is unmounted from the document. Inside the function, we'll want to loop through the objects in the Uploads array. In each object, we pushed the task snapshot into it. The task will come with a method we can use to cancel the upload. We can only cancel each upload one at a time. We'll need to loop through the array to pull this off. We'll call the forEach method and pass in an arrow function. We're passed in each object through the parameters of the function. We're calling each item upload. We have the option of accepting the index and array, but we won't need them in this example. If you can recall, we added the task object to each object in the array. The task comes with a method that we can call to cancel the upload. In the loop, call the upload.task.cancel function. This function will cease upload operations to Firebase. We don't need to make further changes. That should take care of it. Let's try testing an upload again. Be sure to have the Network panel opened in the Developer Tools. We want to verify that requests are getting canceled after we've navigated away from the page. Navigating away has canceled the upload. We can verify this by switching to the Console panel in the Developer Tools. If an upload is canceled, the State Changed event will throw an error. The second function we passed in will run. The second function we passed into the event is responsible for handling errors. Further inspection of this object will show that the cause of the error was cancellation by the user. Technically not an error because it's not something that breaks our application, but it's treated as such by Firebase. That's good to know just in case you want to handle the cancellation further in the function. We'll look at an alternative in the next lecture.